Niguo kugacirithia maria maturigiciirie na kuhuthia njira cia gute giko, thirikari ya Kiambu ni yeruhitie ngirimiti na ruhonge rwa JICA kuma bururi wa Japan. Ngirimiti ino igikinyanirio ni gavana Kimani wa Matangi, o undu umwe na munini wa director ruhonge-ini rwa JICA Aikoga. Mubango-ini uyu mweru, giko kiria giothe kirirogotagwo Kiambu kirigayanagio mithemba itiganite, na thutha wa kuiganirirwo gikahihinywo na macini cia KIIRIU niguo kibuthe na ihenya.
We will install eco fans that are wind driven. They were initially there, and this leachate can be treated. We'll also reinstall back a chamber that will be trapping poisons and heavy metals, where we include biochar.
Kuringana na gavana Kimani wa Matangi, mamirioni ma mbeca ni maigitwo keheri gukinyaniria mubango uyu, uria ugite wanambia hau kabere indi ukaga gukinyanira, rita riri akiuga giko gia Kiambu no nginya kiramato uria kwagiriire.
Commitment from our side to cooperate and make sure that we continuously improve on the standards was a bit wanting, because we were not putting enough resources on our part. So in our first meeting we agreed, let me also commit to put in resources, put in good people to ensure that the standards rise.
Wa Matangi ugite aria othe marogota giko ni meguthomithio njira cia KIIRIU cia gukiramata, akiongerera ati ngari njeru cia gukua giko ni irikitie kugurwo, o hamwe na mabuba ma giko maria maritumikaga gukigayania.
We agreed that we will initiate our own processes of waste separation, so that when the waste is arriving there, it is easy for us to, sort it out, have this, have that, have that. We have started now making our bins with the provision for separation right at source.
Miario yake kinyitwo mbaru ni Koga, uria ugite mubango uyu ukambia gukinyanirio mweri wa 3 mwaka ukite.
We have already formulated implementation plan to secure the budget, and it's already approved in JICA headquarters. And in our new project, we are thinking to first continue support for improved operation of landfill.
Kuringana na minister wa maria maturigiciirie kaunti-ini ya Kiambu David Kuria, ngirimiti ya Kiambu na Japan ya kwirahirwo, akiuga na ikinya ri kugacirithia tabarira ingi itiganite, hamwe na cio ri guthondekwo gwa barabara ya KANG'OKI guthie Monyo, o undu umwe na mifuteti itiganite matura-ini ma Kisii na Kiganjo.
They have been very good in training of people in terms of waste management, and further they have advanced their partnership in terms of developing landfill, the Fukuoka landfill, which is in KANG'OKI. And this coincided well with our policies, where we wanted to also, because of what governor had said, that we needed to come with a modern way of managing our waste.
Kuma itura-ini ria KANG'OKI, gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia THIKA kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u.